Who says your chicken will not taste yummy and juicy? If you're still doubting that making chicken without the 11 secret ingredients from Colonel Sando, founder of KFC, is not possible, stay tuned while we unveil this amazing secret. In this video, I've already marinated my chicken. Sorry, I forgot to record the process. For all the ingredients I used in the marinade, please check the description below for the exact measurement. Now let's go ahead and make the breading. I'm using 500 gram or half a kilo of all-purpose wheat flour. I added 2 tablespoons of paprika powder, that's bell pepper, dried bell pepper powder. I added salt, 1 teaspoon. I added chili powder according to my preference, and I whisk all these ingredients together with my whisk to avoid lumps. Yes, so once this mixture is ready, you put in the chicken for coating. Yeah, you coat the chicken. So if you desire, you can take the chicken back to the water from that marinade, place it in there again and double coat it. Yeah, but for this video, coating it once was enough. So you go ahead with this process. You go ahead with this process until you are done with all the chicken. Now the chicken are well coated, it's time for me to prepare salad. I'll be using purple cabbage, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, radish, sweet corn, of course, red bell pepper, some carrots. Wash all those vegetables and dice them to your desired shape. Yes, once they are all diced, mix all of them together in a larger bowl. Now let's go ahead and prepare the marinade for the salad. I have my Greek yogurt. I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic. Thereafter, I'll add diced parsley leaf for flavor. Yes, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half lemon, half of a juice from half lemon. Stir everything together. Your homemade yogurt marinade is ready. I decided to pair this meal with a salad because KFC is already rich in calories, so I was trying to not to add much more calorie to the meal. Yeah, that's why we are having it with salad. And believe me, it is satisfying. After eating this, you are definitely full. Well, let's go ahead and continue frying the chicken. Fry for about 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown, or until you achieve your desired color. Yeah, ensure you fry it well so it will be well cooked. Yeah, in this video, I fried the chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes, and they were ready, well cooked and juicy inside. See how beautiful! Wow. I wish you were here to have a taste. Thank you so much for joining us on today's episode. Dankeschön. Please, if you haven't subscribed at this point in time, please subscribe, share, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for joining us on today's episode. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Dankeschön. Tschüss.